Okay, for those who like my chicken recipes, I'll give one on video. I got two thighs here. I'm going to remove the skins. Okay, I pulled the skin off, trimmed away anything that was I deemed nasty. And we're going to do this as a oven fried chicken. This is the coating that I'm going to be using, Frying Magic. Alright, I liberally applied the coating to the underside of the chicken. And now, once I press it in there, I'm going to go ahead and flip the chicken over. And I'm on some plastic wrap here. And now we'll do the other side. Alright, both sides are done. And so I'm just going to wrap it up in this plastic wrap real good. Probably wrap this up, probably put another layer around it. Wrap it up tight, press it all together, throw it on a plate and throw it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. 4 hours would be better. Alright, we're back with the chicken here after a few hours. I got my oil heated up in the pan here. I'm using some Crisco. You use whatever the hell you want. There's my flame that I'm going with. So I'll be putting this chicken in bottom side down. And it's a little easier when you got two hands. Squeeze it in this small pan here. Okay, we're going to fry that for 7 minutes. Alright, after 7 minutes, we flip them over. Cook this side for 7 minutes. Add a little more oil if you need to. Alright, that 7 minutes is up. I flipped it back over. I forgot to mention on that last flip, I kicked my oven on to 350 degrees. And I suggest using a cast iron skillet to do this with. I suppose you can do it with a regular metal pan, but I go with cast iron. 350 degree oven. Just take it right from there into there, and we will go with 45 minutes. Alright, that 45 minutes was up. We're going to go ahead and leave it in here. Cover it with some aluminum foil. Turn the oven off. And run it in there for another 20 minutes with the oven off. Alright, that 20 minutes is up. Pull it out. And take that foil. Use that foil then. Put the chicken in. Put the chicken on. And then we are going to wrap up the chicken in the foil. Alright, chicken's wrapped up. And with that oven, I cut it down to 15 minutes, leaving it in there with the oven off and covered. I'm just going to do 15 minutes here wrapped up. And that's for a total of an hour and a half of cooking time. 15 in the pan, 45 with the oven on, 15 with the oven off and covered, another 15 outside of the oven wrapped in the foil, and you can unwrap that then after 15 minutes. Eat up. Alright, that 15 minutes is up, and you might say it's a little bit overkill on the time, but I like to make sure my chicken is done. So at this point I just debone it, and with these thighs, so with these thighs there's only that one, other than the bone, there's this one nasty thing running through. I think I left a little bit on that side. But other than that, all you got's the bone. I just rip it apart. Maybe a little bit of fat in here in this one section, but that's about it. That's why I prefer thighs over anything else. And it's good meat. I don't like the meat on legs. Okay, simple as that. There you go. Perfect chicken. Perfectly done. Nice and juicy. Fucking awesome. Better than any fucking Kentucky Fried fucking chicken you buy. That's some good fucking shit, man. Alright.